Hi friends, in this video I'm going to discuss why automation testing projects really fails, and I'm going to discuss about 5 reasons if you're not planned very well your automation project is definitely is going to fail. So before moving into the in detail, what are those 5 reasons? If you're visiting Testing Shala for the first time, do click on subscribe button, click on bell notification so that you'll be getting all the videos from Testing Shala related to software testing that would help you to learn software testing in a simple and easy manner. So let's move on to the to know about what are those 5 reasons. The first one is when you're not defining the exact scope of automation, your testing projects will definitely it will fail. First of all, your automation tester should know what you are going to automate, which feature you are going to automate, which feature we are not going to automate, what is the return of investment on the test automation cases, and you should not go and automate each and every stuff. You should automate based on the return of investment. What is the benefit we get out of the script which we are going to automate, how many times we are going to execute the automated cases. We have to look into all these aspects before we are trying to bring an automation there. If you are not doing well thought process here, and if you're not brought in a good automation scope, then chances are your automation project is definitely it is going to fail. And also you should not go and plan to automate which are more irrelevant, or the scenarios or features which requires more intervention of human testers, where human validation is very much important to validate the cases. Then it would better keep it in manual and remaining stuff get into automation. Otherwise, putting a wrong investment in wrong place, it doesn't get you any benefit of bringing automation. Hence, have a better planning, better scoping by having a regular connect with all the stakeholders. Then you plan it, scope it, and go for automation. This is what I suggest to bring an automation. The second reason why test automation can fail is when you do not have a right competent skilled resources. You should not go and just start a team of 2 or 3 manual testers, cross train them, and start doing automation. That is not going to get any benefit in a longer run or in a shorter run. You should always get couple of resources, 2 to 3 resources who are competent in automation skills. For example, if you would like to bring a Selenium automation, then first get hold of 2 to 3 resources skilled in automation. Then start building few things in the beginning. Then get hold of manual testers and cross train them. That would help in the longer run, and also you'll get more benefits than just train few resources and they do not follow anything about automation. They don't know in and of automation framework, reusability, all the aspects, right? It would always will have a problem in a longer run if you do not bring the competitive skilled resources, because they are not able to think in an automated mindset. That would leads to a failure in the automation journey. I hope you understood this, the second point. So let's move on to the third point: automation process being not defined very effectively. If you remember, The software testing itself is having a group of good processes that would ensure we deliver good quality work. We follow a defined process sets. In the same manner, we should also define good processes for automation as well. And automation should also follow all the development lifecycle processes. So you should bring a good automation processes that would help to deliver good quality output from the test automation team. Same process needs to be aligned with all the relevant stakeholders that would help to deliver the right things to the right stakeholders. So let's move on to the fourth reason why your project may be failing. When you're trying to bring an automation, if you do not have a testable application or a testable product, it would always leads to a lot of rework, lot of effort being spent, which is of useless. Better, it could be automating any stuff. It could be unit testing, it or API testing, or it could be your regressions, or it could be a functional test automation. It is always good that your application needs to be stable. At least if you wanted to bring a unit testing, then at least the code level things should be working, and it is stable at the code level. Then you can bring a unit testing to validate those cases. The last and final reason is when you're not defining your goals for your automation testing project. If you're not defining your automation goal, means you should look into a return of investment. You should have a buy-in from all the relevant stakeholders and do all the process being set up, and there is a right goal in front of you from the leadership team, what really you will be achieving out of this automation, right? You should clearly defining each and every step and get a sign off from the relevant stakeholders and buy-in from them. That would ensure that everybody will be in the same page and they may not expect unnecessary things little later, because you have discussed all the items and you have voluntarily, proactively, you have given all the leads to your stakeholders, and you have taken the feedback from them to sign off from the leadership team. Your project will definitely succeed. With this, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click on like button and bell notification so that all the future videos from Testing Shala will be in your inbox. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.